Hey y'all, this is Kel and I am back. I'm looking real bad here. So I just detangled my hair and you will see that in the video before this, but I'm about to do a disclaimer. These two videos is a good 2 weeks apart. Okay, let me explain. So I detangled my hair that day and then I had things to do and I had to go someplace, and then like things start happening, a lot of stuff start happening, so I ain't washed my hair in 2 weeks. Mind you, I didn't wash my hair 2 weeks before that, so it's been a month since I washed my hair. And I know that is bad and nobody actually to say nothing about it. I'm telling you, I know it's bad. So today, we're gonna get a lot of tender loving care for this hair. I'm about to do a bentonite clay mask. I'm about to go make me a deep conditioner. Like, my hair about to get some love today, okay? So, I will be doing a bentonite clay mask. I have not done a bentonite clay mask all year when I usually used to do it all the time. It's a really great purifier. It gets all the toxins out of your hair. Like, it is really, really good for your hair and your skin. Don't forget your skin, so it will be all over my face as well. So, this is what you will need for the bentonite clay. Of course, bentonite clay. Like, so this is the one I use. I use the Aztec Healing Bentonite clay. I don't know if it's glaring or not. If not, I will put that somewhere in this here area, okay? And then of course you're gonna need apple cider vinegar. It really doesn't matter what type of apple cider vinegar, as long as you have apple cider vinegar. This is the one with the mother in it. They said that's good for your body. Like, if you're drinking apple cider vinegar, the mother is supposed to be good for you. And of course, my good old oil bottle, because, you know, put some oil in there. Oil you have. So, that's all the things you will need for the bentonite clay mask. I will be showing you guys how I make it. I don't measure, so you won't be getting any measurements. You just need to see how I look and go from there. But that's pretty much it. I will see y'all in the next clip.
Right, you guys, here I am pouring the bentonite clay into the bowl, and then I will be putting the ACV in there as well. I like a certain consistency, so I will be adding a little bit more. Am I measuring? Absolutely not. Ain't nobody got time for that. So, you know, you just go ahead and you eyeball it, see what you like. The key to this is pretty much to use plastic utensils. The ACV and bentonite clay will react negatively to metal products. And then, as you can see, it's already bubbling up, it's thickening up, it's reacting. I put a little oil in there because this is not moisturizing at all. It's not supposed to be. It's supposed to clean your hair and clarify, not condition. All right, you guys, here I am. So my hair is already in sections from when I detangled. So pretty much what you need to do to make this easier for you. Make sure you fully saturate your hair with water before you put the bentonite clay on your hair. Did I do that in this clip? No, I didn't. But that's what you're supposed to do. I realized it once I put it on there. So you spray your hair down, and so it is easier for the bentonite clay to slide onto your hair. And it doesn't clump up or anything like that. It gives you what you need to put it on there. Make sure you evenly coat your hair with the bentonite clay. So it's a cleansing agent. It's supposed to get rid of all the toxins. It's supposed to clarify your hair. So make sure you put it on all of your strands. And as you can see, it's making my curls pop already. Like, as soon as you put it on there, it's like bomb. So that's what it's supposed to do. It's supposed to look crazy. It's supposed to dry and all of that stuff. So pretty much what I do is just slap it on there with the spoon that I mixed it in with. And that is it. There's nothing else to really tell y'all about it. That's it. You just go ahead and put it on there, slap it on there, and move along.
Can't help but win. It ain't fresh, so just let him call the shots. You're a queen, you should be getting all that someone's got. You should be rocking the latest in purses, bracelets, and watches. You're worth much more than an occasion. I love you, I'm thinking of you, and I don't wanna come between you and your man. Even though I know I treat you better than he can. Girl, I can't help but wait till you get that with him. It don't change. Can't help but wait till you see that with me it ain't the same. Can't help but wait till you see you for what you really are. Baby girl, you are a star. I can't help but wait. Oh, 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 can't help but wait. No, no, no. I can't help but wait. Oh, I can't help but wait. Oh, oh, oh. I can't help but wait. Oh, I can't help but wait. I see you with him. He ain't right, but you don't trip. You stand by while he lies, then turn right around and forgive. I can't take to see your face with those tears run down your cheeks. But what can I do? I gotta stay true, cause deep down I'm still a G. And I don't wanna come between you and your man. Even though I know I treat you better than he can. Girl, I can't help but wait till you get that with him. It don't change. Can't help but wait till you see that with me it ain't the same. Can't help but wait till you see you for what you really are. Baby girl, you are a star. I can't help but wait. Oh, I can't help but wait. Oh, 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 I can't help but wait. Can't help but wait. Oh, 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 can't help but wait. No, no, no. I can't help but wait. Oh, I can't help but wait.
Hey you guys, I am back. My hair is completely dry with the bentonite clay in it. It is supposed to detoxify your hair, make your curls pop, all of that good stuff. I am going to be rinsing this out. Rinse it out. Do not wash bentonite clay out. I'm gonna say it again. Bentonite clay is cleansing. It is supposed to cleanse your skin. It is supposed to cleanse your hair. It is pretty much a clarifying shampoo all on its own. So it does not need any help. So do not shampoo it out. You rinse it out because it's a cleansing agent. But I am going to be washing this out. I'm about to get in the shower, wash this out, and then I will come back to y'all afterward when I'm not looking scary like this. My hair did shrink up a lot, but it didn't shrink up as much as it usually do. Cause my hair be up here, honey. And this is like pure dust. So your face will be tight. Try not to put it on your eyebrows because it's hard to get out your eyebrows, of course. Because it takes a little while. So when you are rinsing this out your hair, make sure you are fully rinsing your hair out. Make sure there's none left in there. And once it's dry, honey, it is pure like, I don't know, it's like dust flying all around because I just did that. But that's it. So I'm about to rinse this out and I will come back to you after that. And then I'll be showing you guys in the next video my deep conditioner DIY. So, yeah. Okay, you guys, I'm back. Fresh out the shower. And as you can see, my 4C hair is back. So this is definitely me and my 4C hair. It's really clean. The thing that I did not do that I feel like I need to get back in there and do, but I don't want to because I just got out of there, you know what I'm saying? I didn't really get it out my scalp real good, as y'all can see. It's all in my scalp still. So you do have to make sure that you rinse it all out your scalp. But all it takes is water. Let some water run on your face, let some water run on your hair, and it comes right out. No issues at all. It's fully out my hair though. I ain't do too good on the scalp, but it's fully out my hair. It's not fully off my neck though. That was okay. But whatever. But yeah, this is my 4C hair. Obviously, when you saw the Bentonite clay, you saw all my different textures. I got like 4 good textures in my hair. 4 good textures. They all good textures, but they all different. And so it's a lot to work with and trying to figure out, trying to define what products work for wood and what products can work for my whole head. But this is it. And so you will be getting that my deep conditioner video, because I definitely need to deep condition my hair. But as of right now, I'm tired with it. So I'm about to do something to this, put it in some twist or something so I go to bed. And then tomorrow I'll probably deep condition, because y'all know it's light. Well, it's night. It's not light. It's night. It's always night pretty much when I do my videos now. So yeah, y'all see that in the morning when I wake up. And I will see y'all in the next one. Make sure y'all share my videos, like, subscribe, comment, tell me how you feel about the Bentonite clay. Have you used the Bentonite clay? Let me know. Go ahead and share my videos with all of your friends or your natural hair or wig loving friends, because this is going to be a part of my Under the Wig series. Just figure that out right now. So my Under the Wig series, and of course I do want to grow my hair, get it thicker and healthier. So that is my journey right now for this year, is to grow my hair a little thicker and longer. So of course you guys, I will see you all in the next video. So bye.
I'm